welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Krutika and this makeup tutorial is all about this makeup look through my Instagram, and it's all flooded with this cloudy makeup. So I've tried this makeup look, so making some TikToks on this, so do follow me on TikTok. Link will be in description box. So let's get started. I'm starting with moisturizer. This is my favorite moisturizer from Biotique. It's a very good fragrance. To prep my skin, I'm using all over my face. Now I'm using serum and again apply under my eyes to get hydration underneath. So just prepping my skin because I'm using a heavy makeup on over face. So I'm using primer. This is translucent gel base primer, like silicone base. I'm just putting all over my face. Primer is very essential because it gives a fine-tuned base for our foundation to be laid, otherwise it will be turned cakey. I'm using foundation all over my face in dot motion, so it will be easy to blend. Using beauty blender here, you can use your brushes also.
Two 2,000 years later.
So blend your foundation evenly. Ignore it. I'm using concealer to brighten up my darker area or dark circles. As you can see, there is very little quantity I'm using underneath my eyes and over eyelids also to get a primer for our eyeshadows. Blend it well and get a perfect base for our eyeshadow to get pop. Just roughly doing my eyebrows to get into the shape. Now I'm using a full coverage concealer to get even out brows and blending with the same beauty blender. Now I'm using to fill my lips into the reddish or pinkish shade matching to my makeup look. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using this red tone eyeshadow which is little tinted with the pink hint. I'm using all over my lids with the fine-tuned blending brush. As you can see, I'm using on below crease. Now on crease I'm using dark brown and little light brown to get edgy look and buff it out with the same brush. Now I'm using little concealer over the line area of my lids for the color to pop out at that main points. So I'm just using concealer and just little buffing out with my fingers only. Now I'm using the same color which I have used in the lids. Now you can see the perfect difference between the shade I have used and the color I have used after the concealer. It pop out very well. Now taking the same shade and little drop down the shade onto my cheeks and bridging off the nose and blending it. As you can see, I have created the line below which I have to work. I'm just spreading the color with the brush and just buffing out little bit to get a little coverage of that same shadow. Now just spreading all the eyeshadow till my comfortness or till my nose point and blending it well. As you can see, I'm using little color on downwards and making a spare part in between so I can make clouds over there. I'm not filling the same color or the intensity all over my cheeks. Now with the help of flat top eyeshadow brush and poppy eyeshadow, As you can see, I'm trying to draw a cloud on my face. It's a liquid eyeshadow which will be turned white after it got dried. I'm just using small stroke to make a cloud. As you can see, I have made one big cloud and some small clouds side by side. I put some lashes and yeah, it's done. This is the final look. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.